Good morning, everyone. I am Luigi from Mase Generators, and I want to talk to you about the importance of a good installation of marine generators. In fact, the generator, after the engines, is one of the most important systems on board because it provides us with the energy necessary to operate all the onboard auxiliaries, such as battery chargers, air conditioning, high-voltage utilities, and, through the batteries, all low-voltage ones. Therefore, a good installation improves the reliability, performance, and duration of the generator. Almost always, the installation of the group is below the floating line of the boat. Therefore, to prevent our group from filling up with water, we must use some precautions. First of all, we must be sure that a minimum access to all sides in order to carry out periodic and extraordinary maintenance is available, and that the frame and the structure of the unit don't rest on other structures or components of the boat, as they will generate noise. The base on which it has to be mounted must be flat and sturdy. The groups are designed for easy attachment to the cauldron, using the supplied brackets that allow for an easy assembly. When installing the remote control panel, I recommend to never cut the shielded cable, because even if it was correctly spliced, the loss of the shield could lead to defects and breakage of the unit. The predisposition for the external connection of diesel, cooling water and batteries simplified and speed up installation. I recommend installing a decanter diesel fuel filter upstream of the unit, so as to always guarantee water and impurities-free fuel. I suggest the use of the anti-siphon valve, which is intended to save the group when it is installed below the waterline and also in the case of fast-planing boats. In fact, in the latter, the pressure that develops in the hull pushes the water into the sea intake, drowning the group. The anti-siphon therefore counteracts the pressure and prevents drowning. Let's move on the drain line. A good exhaust line guarantees less noise, low vibrations and low volatile fresh gases, therefore greater comfort. The accumulation muffler is so called because it collects the wet exhaust and in a pulsating manner it raises it to an altitude above sea level. It must be installed very close to the assembly and the pipe must be descending from the assembly to the muffler. Water must not be stopped in the line with the engine off. The closer the muffler is, the less noise will be perceived in the engine room. The muffler must have a size such that when the unit is switched off, must occupy about 30% of the volume. At this point, we can unload that side with a descending exhaust line and with an eventual inline silencer. Or use a water-air separator and then go to discharge the fumes on the side and the water in the hull. It is important that the exhaust pipes are not fixed to structures because when the unit is switched on, they generate strong vibrations, and these vibrations could propagate along the structure of the boat, turning into noise. We invite you to contact our specialized technician to get their support for the installation and for any other need you may have. I hope you enjoyed this video and found of interest. Happy navigation, everyone!